Hi everyone! Today I show you how you can make this cute Valentine's octopus. This is a remake too from some octopus I made in the past, and here I show you some of them in different sizes and colors. And now let's make this little cute guy. You take a ball of clay in the color you would like to use and roll it into a thick snake and cut it in 4 sections. 3 sections you roll into a ball again and put it aside, and 1 section you roll into a thin snake and cut 8 equal pieces. Then you roll them into little balls and shape a little circle and pinch it good together. When you have done this and satisfy, you can take the big ball of clay and place it onto the circle. For the tiny hearts, I take 2 different pinks and roll them into snakes. Then I cut them into little pieces. For shaping the tiny hearts, you take a piece of this pink clay, roll it into a ball, flatten it between 2 fingers, and then you pinch a little triangle. When you have done this, you can take a silicone tool or a needle tool and make the indents for the heart. For the face, I roll out black clay in very thin snakes. Then I cut off 3 sections of the snake. And shape them between my knife and my fingers into little C shapes and place them on the face. And take your time to place the face because it's slightly tricky. Then I add with a small brush some pink chalk pastels for the cheeks. And now it's time to place the eye pin. I use screw eyes and fix them with some liquid clay. In the last step, I place the tiny hearts. Then bake it according to your package's instructions and glaze it. So, I hope you enjoyed this tutorials and give a big thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more, and thanks so much for watching. Bye!